Hi everyone, welcome you all to Deep Matrix. This is Annamalai. Today we are going to see about how to do a simulation in MATLAB. For that we are going to use a Simulink library. So this is how a Simulink library browser will looks like. So Simulink is a MATLAB's graphical based environment for modeling analysis of multi-domain systems. So here we have some predefined block. The only thing the user need to do is to drag the blocks to the editor and connect it and run so that they can get different answers. So this would be very easy for user those who don't know any programming. So I'm going to open an editor. So while working with MATLAB you have to keep patience because it is a high-end software, so some labs or system would suffer from that. So next, as this is a kickstart for Simulink, I'm going to do a simple block experiment. Like we are going to visualize how a sine wave will look. For that you have to search for the sine block. So here I have my sine wave. I just drag it to the editor. So for visualizing we need to use the scope, commonly used blocks. So here we have a scope. So now I'm going to connect my sine wave to the scope. So now I'm going to run. So for visualizing we have to double tap on the scope. So you can see here we have a sine wave with amplitude 1. So you can also change the amplitude of sine wave by double tapping on sine. Here you have amplitude. Now I am going to change to 10. Now press OK. Rerun the graph. So now you can see the scope, the amplitude value is changes to 10. So instead of sine wave I am going to use a step. So here you can search for step signal. You can also do it here by right click on the editor window and press step STEP. So this is my step block. So I have connected my step signal to my scope. I'm going to run my program. So you can see this is how a step signal look like. So we can also add two signal by using add block or sum block. SUM. So sum block. So I'm going to add my step signal to my sine wave, and we are going to visualize our how output look like. So for that, then I'm going to search for sine again. So I've connected my step signal to the sum block and sine wave to the sum block. The output of the sum block is connected to my scope. Now we are going to visualize it. So this is how the addition of two signal would look like. So you can add as many signal as you want by double clicking on the sum block. You can give the number of signs you want. Like I can also subtract a signal from another signal. Here I am going by pressing OK. Now I am going to subtract a sine wave from my step signal. we can see how the output look. So you can see this is how a wave. So I'm done with my topic today. Since it is a kickstart class, we'll done this. I'll explain about more stuff in my forthcoming videos. Do subscribe our channel and comment about our videos so that we can improvise our work. Until then, enjoy learning. Thank you.